A new monthly software update is rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE 5G mobiles. Coming to the update, this is a monthly security patch. After installing it, the phone gets upgraded to the July security patch. I'll also show you the GPU and CPU scores performed in Geekbench app after this and before the update, along with my overall review and whether there are any green line issues this time as well. Now coming to the size of this update, it's 319.13 MB. I have started downloading it. Once the download completes, I'll begin the installation process. This phone has been receiving updates on time and so far I haven't faced any issues with these monthly security patch updates. Some users are noticing battery drain issues after the One UI 8.5 update. I'm not sure what's going on with their devices, but mine is working just the same as before. If I run into anything like that, I'll definitely let you know. And soon the next lineup in the FE series, the S26 FE, is releasing in the coming months. I'll be adding that phone to this list too once I have reviewed it. Coming back to the update, it took me around 6 minutes in total from downloading to finishing the installation. Make sure you do not press any buttons during this process. Now, when it comes to changes and issues, there is nothing noticeable. Everything looks and feels the same. Battery backup is unchanged and there are no green line issues either. Coming to the scores, here are the CPU and GPU results before and after. And do note that, I'll say this again, these scores can vary significantly from phone to phone depending on the apps running, the device temperature, background processes, and so on. So just take these numbers as a piece of information and go ahead and share your own device scores in the comment box. It will really help others watching this video. So that's the monthly software update review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE 5G. Yes, you can go ahead and update your phone as well. If you found this video helpful, like the video and share it with your friends and family who owns this phone. Thanks in advance for doing that and for staying and watching till the end. I'll see you again in the next video.